Hi guys, I received today the double hot plate. So for kitchen, this is portable. So let's open it. Unpacking. Unpack guys. Open it. Open natin siya. I bought this one yesterday and the delivery is today. So kailangan ko to kasi ni-repair yung kitchen. Kitchen here is under renovation, so that's why I ordered this one. Is 1-day delivery. Wow. Oh, see guys. Open double hot plate. Okay. Oh. Ito na siya. Here it is. This is electric and portable. So, meron siya. It says, okay, crew, yung mga parts niya. So, this is empty. It's empty, guys. The shape one is empty. Sorry. Oh my God. And then, let's open. Kalagay sa name niya is double hot plate. Saving a $500 product. So, double hot plate. Let's open. So, it's good for this one if you're going for picnic, travel, going outdoors for this summer. So this is it, guys. So let's check first the instruction. Is double hot plate user manual. So this user close supervision is necessary. So later that one i-read ko siya later. Before use, please note that before use your hot plate for the first time, it is best to turn the hot plate on the highest setting for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. 3 to 5 minutes. So this is it, guys. As you can see, it has a off, on until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and off. Power off. So it's same as this is double plate. And so I will taste this one. Testing later. So it comes with this brand name, and here is the hole in here, and caution hot plate here, and yes, the back. Look at the back, and here it has the. Yeah, this is for this one. So it is portable, so it's beautiful. It's not too heavy, like almost 1 kilo. This is 1 kilo. It's not heavy. You can bring this one anywhere. Since this is portable. This is this one, and it is metal part. Yeah, it's strong one. It's really strong. So this is cheaper. I bought this one. This says double. They don't have a single one. So electric. So it says here. It says here. What is the description? White. High power dual cooking zone. Features 2 heating plates allowing you to cook multiple dishes at the same time with efficient heat output. Okay. So it can be used for camping, guys. Yeah, versatile everyday cooking use, suitable for frying, boiling, reheating, and keeping food warm, offering flexibility for a wide range of meals. So yeah, this is nice. 2500 watts. Control type knob, self-corded electric. So 2500 watts. So I will taste this one. Tasting, no taste. Tasting. Tasting ko siya mamaya. So yeah, I'm happy. That's it. Double plate. Okay guys, because the kitchen here is under reparation, that's why I bought this one. It's cheap price. It's not expensive. So you can put this one here, then yeah. I'm so happy guys. So it's not sponsored, this one. So it's only for my private money. This my yeah, it's nice. It's nice one. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much. So that is for now. Then I will try this one later. So I need to put this one. This is the okay, I don't know how to put this one. Where is that? Oh, like that. Push. Need to push like that. Push this one. And this one, the other one, because this big oven, this one is not working because the kitchen is under reparation. So that's why I'm using this one for a week. Okay, it's now everything. So this one guys, it's working. Look at, it's working. 1 2 3 4 5, and the other parts is turn on. 1 2 3 4 5. So it's working. So let's put this hot water. Try to put the hot water guys. Make it 5. Oh, look at 5. This is in the position 5. And this one, yes, it's working. It's hot. Oh my god, it's very hot. So we must turn on. No, because it's first time use, we need to turn this one into 5. So let's see if it's cooking the hot water. Stay tuned. So guys, it is working. So as you can see, I boiled this water for almost around 3 minutes and it's totally boiled, so it's tasting, so it's nice. This is nice for camping, you're going somewhere, so it's nice. I'm not promoting this product, but I'm not, it's like a promoting, but no, it's not sponsored product, this one. So I bought this one for my own, my own money, but trust me, this one is good. Yeah, let's see for how long this one will stay, because this one is cheapest one, it's not expensive. So let's see that one. Yes, this is really nice, so it can help, this one if you're going for anywhere you want. It's hot, it's still hot. Oh, see, I can feel the hotness of this one, because that one is, this one is a quite smaller, it's quite smaller than here. This one is more bigger size, but it is really worth it for me. Yeah, it is really worth it. Nice one. So that's it from now, my video, guys. So only unpacking, showing the product that I bought today. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in my YouTube channel. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel, so that you are updated on the notification bell, so that you are updated for my next video, guys. So thank you for now. Bye bye. Now I'm cooking this one, so I put 4. So yes, it's cooking properly, guys. Look at, nice. It's, the hotness is like, is strong. It's worth it, this one.